Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. Welcome to my channel. Today we are standing outside my garage and we're going to break into a car. Actually, it's a friend's car. He left his keys in the car. If you can see them, really can't. But we're going to use an air wedge, sometimes called an air shim, and this is actually an air shim brand. You can see the affiliate link below on Amazon. You can purchase these for about 14 bucks. Let's get started. Okay, let me explain the air shim. First of all, there's a ball on it. You pump that. Once it's in place, it expands. And when you want to deflate it, you simply push this button. So we're going to begin by sticking the shim in right here. And you see it come through the weather stripping. Perfect. It's wedged in there nicely. Now I'm going to inflate it. Once it's inflated, we'll use the second shim. Okay, that's enough. And now we can stick the second shim in here, and it's expanded enough. You just slide it all the way to right about there, and we'll pump this ball up. You just want enough space so that you can now get the wire snake in there. That should be good. Now this is simply a wire snake, usually used for electrical purposes. A fish tape actually is what it's called, fish tape. And you just stick it in there, see it come through, and you just reach down, grab the lock and pull it. You can kind of look at the other side to see where you need to go. There it is. I'm simply going to pull back. Okay, we got it. Now the door should open. There we go. All right, we got it done. This is Scott with Scott's Garage. If you got any value from this video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but it's of great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.